Good morning, and welcome to the Black Mesa Transit System. This automated train is provided for the security and convenience of the Black Mesa Research Facility personnel. The time is 8:47 a.m. Current topside temperature is 93 degrees, with an estimated high of 105. The Black Mesa compound is maintained at a pleasant 68 degrees at all times. This train is inbound from Level 3 dormitories to Sector C test labs and control facilities. If your intended destination is a high-security area beyond Sector C, you will need to return to the Central Transit Hub in Area 9 and board a high-security train.
Big day today, Freeman. Have you been able to get the beverage machine to work yet?
Sorry,
What the hell? I hope no one expects me to start up the generator.
we'll get through this together. Man, did you see that shot?
Please, put that down. It's a prototype.
Man, why aren't we using it?
Don't be ridiculous.
Hey, what the hell?
It's much too unpredictable. Don't let it overcharge.
What do you mean, overcharge?
I'm the one man who knows everything.
Oh, you got the wrong airlock.
You have no idea what is going on.
Access denied. Access denied. Access denied. Access denied.
What the hell is going on with our equipment? Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Stop! Oh my.
Well, it looks like we won't be working together.
I seem to be seriously wounded.